Most super yachts at this size compete on length. The Benetti Oasis 42M competes on what happens when you get there. 139 feet, designed around direct access to the sea. Built in Viareggio, Italy, Benetti, with over 150 years of super yacht production. Exterior by RWD, interior and deck by Benetti Kazurski Architecture, naval architecture by Pierluigi Ausonio, GRP hull construction, twin Manvai 12 diesels, 1,200 horsepower each, 2,400 total, top end of 16 knots, comfortable transit at 14. Drop to 10 knots and you get 4,000 nautical miles of range. That is an ocean crossing with fuel to spare. 139 feet 5 inches overall, 27 foot 11 beam, 6 feet 9 of draft, shallow enough for the tightest med anchorages, displacement at 295 tons, Oasis Deck aft, Foredeck wellness terrace forward. 4 standout design decisions define this vessel. The Oasis Deck, a patented sea-level aft platform with an enclosed pool, jacuzzi, and 270 degrees of open water. The Foredeck wellness terrace opens directly to the sea, designed for use at anchor or underway. Optional Siemens E-Mode hybrid for silent, zero-emission harbor maneuvering. And full-height salon glazing, floor-to-ceiling glass that erases the boundary between the interior and the ocean. 5 guest cabins for 10 passengers. 5 crew cabins for up to 9 crew. Owner's suite on the main deck with direct Oasis Deck access. Light-toned natural materials throughout. Main salon with panoramic views. Optional gym and wellness room configuration on the main deck. Bottom line, the Oasis 42M is the most outdoor accessible super yacht in its class. Engineered to spend weeks at sea, not days at the dock. For the full specification sheet and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.